Okay, this is it. Don't these look yummy? Let's see what the twins did. Okay. So, yesterday, my husband picked up some food from one of our local taco places. And then one of our plates, we had, well, you know, if you get enough plates, you get some extra tortillas and salsas and things. So what do you do with it? Do we just throw it in the trash? Heck no. I'm gonna make an afternoon snack with the tortillas, some of the salsa. Now, of course, the cheese didn't come with it, but so what? So what? Okay, I'm just gonna let this melt, and then I'm gonna go get some of the other fixings it came with and see if we can't make ourselves something proper. Okay, you know how you get those pickled jalapenos? Just gonna add some. These are very mild, which is fine by me. Fine by me, by me, by me, by me. Okay, we're just gonna add these. The last one. So now I've got the pickled jalapeno, and I've got a little salsa and some beans, one little thing of beans that it came with. Okay, but maybe I'll just add that to a few on the top. Let's see what else I can just throw in there to bulk it up a little. Okay, I have some green onions that didn't come with it, but again, we're just trying to utilize some of our little scraps we've got going on in the kitchen. I had a little bit of that, and I'm gonna reserve some of the greenest tops for garnish. But it's looking good already. I'm gonna get my spatula, and then I'm gonna fold them in half. But not before I put a little of the house sauce, a couple of drops. This is the red sauce. I only have one pack of the green sauce. But we've already paid for it, so why not use it? These are fresh salsas. Already paid for it. Why not utilize it? And it's delicious. And we've already bought it and or made it. Okay, let's utilize all of our food. There's no point in adding it to the landfill when it can be put in our tummies. My husband just got back from golfing. I don't know if he's eaten. He normally eats close to or at the golf course, I guess. So I don't know. He said he just woke up from a nap. I haven't really had a chat with him. I've had a long day of dragging my kid to piano. But doesn't that look good? It's getting crisped up. Right now I'm gonna get the spatula and fold them over. Guess what else I had lying around before I do it? I'll do a couple of these. Thin sliced zucchini. Got them air drying a little bit for a recipe I want to do. But I'll just do 3 of them with a little zucchini in case anybody wants a veg option. These little guys are so small. In. All right, just picture this. I'm gonna do this to all of them. Okay, this is probably gonna be the end of this part of the video because my son's about to have lunch and he is gonna turn on his social media and I don't wanna get a copyright infringement. So I'll show when I'm plating. But, you know, just fold all of these guys. And look, this guy didn't make it. We'll separate him. Or we'll turn him into a Frankenstein. Let's see. These are 2. Ooh, it looks like a dosa. Let's just do him like this. Move him to the side. Fold. Move. This isn't a free food, but these tortillas are so delicious. And so often you don't take advantage of it. Salsas and all that. I mean, just imagine the amount of ingredients that have to go into it. All right, I'm gonna let them sizzle away and do what they have to do to be the perfection that they're gonna be. We were separated at birth. All right, let these keep cooking. When they've stabilized enough, I'll give them a flip. They're on very low heat. Okay, I hear my kid coming down, so that's it. That's it for this little bit. This is not a big deal, but just think of it as an idea of utilizing everything that we have. Okay, I just added a little bit of cheese after I folded them because I want it to crisp, and I'm adding a little green onion. All right, I told my kid to pause. All right, done. Okay, and then now that it's melting, just gonna move the cheese. Let's say the cheese is here. I'm gonna fold it onto itself like this. I'm gonna fold it onto itself. But you could turn it if you need to. You want all those cheese crisps and the extra green onions. Okay, I've turned everything down. Okay, here they are, plated up. Do you ever get any of those beans? Well, I'm in Southern California, so we often get a soupy kind of a bean. Not a soupy kind of a bean, but what you call frijol a la olla. Okay, and here they are. I just heated them. Again, this is something that kind of comes with a meal. If you get like a plate with beans or whatever, they put them on the side. And then lastly, I put a little bit of green sauce and a little bit of red sauce. And that's it. That's it, and that's all, I think. It does come with a squirt of lemon. Maybe I will do that. Okay. So there it is. How to get a quick snack out of your leftovers from your local taco place. I mean, sure, I added the cheese and I added the green onions. Hey, it just reminded me. I have some green onions I wanted to add to that. And the zucchini for the ones I put zucchini in, but It's better than not this, right? Doesn't that look yummy? All right, I'm gonna give it to my husband. He's so exhausted from golfing all morning and afternoon. All right, well, just hoping it'll give you idea of how to utilize all your food and add to your bellies, not to the landfills. Until next time. Bonus footage. I forgot that I wanted to try some. Just gonna cut through this. These are really small tortillas. Okay. So I think I want one with green salsa and one with red, of course. Let's say red. Okay, I'm not gonna put beans on these. I'm just gonna taste it. I'm gonna start with the green. First bites for you. Oh, this is hot. All right, let's see how it goes. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, so hot. Whew. All right, let's finish her off. Wow, what a great snack. Okay. Ouch. I just took them off of the pan. Hold on. Oh my God. All right. Well, I'm just gonna say make this. Always make it. All right, empty plate and full tummy. Okay, bonus material. So my husband loved those little snack quesadillas so much that I ended up buying more of the little yellow corn tortillas, and I'm making breakfast tacos he's about to eat, so I don't have a ton of time. But in this is thick cut bacon, some nice eggs, some pickled jalapeno. Let me think. I'm trying to think what I put in there. Oh, some fried, not like some potatoes that I sauteed separately. Not like a hash brown. They're like larger cut. And then what I did was, after I fried the bacon up in that same oil, I put the potatoes that I had sort of already gotten going from some French fries I had made, and then I scrambled the eggs, added them into the bacon and the fry mixture, and then I topped it with, I put a little Chihuahua cheese on the bottom and some little bit left of my free salsa from taco night. So this is it, breakfast taco. Are you hungry, Robert?
Yes.
All right.
What is it?